how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. Today I want to talk about Shadowland Coast to Coast Hosta, which is the 2020 Hosta of the year. And I've really enjoyed having these planted in my garden. So hostas, as you know, are a part shade to shade loving plant, and the thing I love about Coast to Coast is the color. When we're planting in shady spots in our garden, we want things to pop and shine, and this one really does. They've got really bold gold colored leaves, which really shines in a shady location, and they're kind of puckered, which adds a lot of textural interest. So they grow about 30 inches tall and 36 inches wide, which is a very good sized plant. One really provides a huge impact. And they bloom midsummer with pale violet flowers that do attract hummingbirds. They're a zone 3 through 9, so they're incredibly tough. They can survive very cold winters, and they're great in both the landscape and in containers. I've tried them in both locations. In fact, Aaron planted a Coast to Coast in a container last year, and it came out and was beautiful. And then a hailstorm rolled through, and it just ripped all of my hosta leaves, both in our landscape and in containers, up. So we had to go out and cut it all the way back, and we were really sad about it, but it flushed back really quickly, like it didn't skip a beat, and we enjoyed it for the rest of the season. So I really feel that there's not a lot that can keep this plant down. So if you're looking for a perennial to put in a shady location that will really shine, I highly recommend the Coast to Coast Hosta. You can find this plant at Petitti's Garden Centers.